Welcome to Max online class. Law of sines or sine formula: a by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c is equal to 2r. Law of cosines: cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Cos b is equal to c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ac. Cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Projection formula: a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. B is equal to c cos a plus a cos c. C is equal to a cos b plus b cos a. Exercise 3.9, first sum. In a triangle ABC, if sin a by sin c is equal to sin a minus b divided by sin b minus c, prove that a square, b square, c square are in arithmetic progression. Consider the LHS. The LHS is sin a by sin c is equal to, we know that sin a is equal to a by 2r. Similarly, we know that sin c is equal to c by 2r. 2 are cancelled, remaining you have a by c. Now consider the RHS. In RHS, sin a minus b divided by sin b minus c. You have to apply the formula sin a minus b. The formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by. The same formula you have to apply the denominator also. The only thing is the alphabet is different. So sin b minus c is sin b cos c minus cos b sin c. Now consider the numerator. The numerator is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a equal to a by 2r. You have to apply the sine formula a by 2r into, in the place of cos b you have to apply the cosine formula, that is a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac, minus in the place of sin b apply b by 2r. The place of cos a you have to apply b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Here a cancel, b cancel, remaining you have 1 by 2r. Here 1 by 2r is common, so take outside, remaining you have a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2c minus b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2c. 1 by 2r, 2c is the LCM, keep the numerator as it is, that is a square plus c square minus b square. Multiply the minus sign, you have minus b square minus c square plus a square. Here plus c square minus c square cancel, remaining you have 1 by 2r into a square plus a square 2a square, b minus b square minus 2b square divided by 2c. The numerator 2 is common, so take outside, so you have 2 into a square minus b square by 2c. 2 cancel, so remaining you have 1 by 2r into a square minus b square divided by c. This is the numerator answer. Now consider the denominator. The denominator, in the place of sin b you have to write b by 2r. In the place of cos c you have to write a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab, minus in the place of sin c you have to write c by 2r. In the place of cos b you have to write a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. Here b cancel, c cancel, remaining you have 1 by 2r into a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2a, minus 1 by 2r into a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2a. 1 by 2r is common. Now take down the LCM. 2a is the LCM. You keep the numerator as it is, a square plus c square minus b square. Here multiply the minus sign, then you have minus a square minus c square plus b square. Plus a square minus a square cancel. So remaining you have 1 by 2r into 2b square minus 2c square divided by 2a. In the numerator 2 is common, so take outside, so you have 2 into b square minus c square divided by 2a. 2 cancel, so you have 1 by 2r into b square minus c square divided by a. This is a denominator answer. Now consider the RHS. Numerator by denominator is equal to, you have to write the numerator answer as well as the denominator answer. In the numerator 2 are 2 or 2 are cancel. So you have a square minus b square divided by b square by minus a square into a by c. Now consider the given question. Sin a by sin c is equal to sin a minus b divided by sin b minus c. Now you have to write the answer. Sin a by sin c is a by c equal to sin a minus b by sin b minus c is a by c into a square minus b square divided by b square minus c square. A by c cancel. Remaining you have a square minus b square divided by b square minus c square is equal to 1. Cross multiply. So you have a square minus b square is equal to b square minus c square. So this can be written as b square minus a square equal to c square minus a square. So you have to multiply the minus n. So you will get b square minus a square equal to c square minus b square. Now this is of the form second term minus second term minus first term, third term minus second term. So we can write a square comma b square comma c square are in AP. Hence we proved. Sum. The angles of a triangle ABC are in arithmetic progression, and if b is to c is equal to root 3 is to root 2, find angle A. The angles of a triangle are in arithmetic progression. So the angles are angle A, angle B, angle C are in AP. Angle A, angle B and angle C are in AP. Angle A, angle B, angles are in AP means we want to find out the common difference. The common difference, how to find the common difference? That is second term minus first term, third term minus second term. So we can write B, angle B minus angle A is equal to angle C minus angle B. You bring this angle B other side, it becomes positive. So angle B plus angle B, 2 times angle B is equal to angle C. You bring this angle A other side, it becomes positive. Angle A plus angle C. Now adding angle B on both sides. So you will get, if you add, you will get 3 times angle B is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. 3 times angle B is equal to, we know that sum of the 3 angles are equal to 180 degree. Then angle B is equal to 180 by 3, 60. Angle B is equal to 60 degree. Now from sine formula we have B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. This can be written as B by C is equal to sin B by sin C. Sin B by sin C. We know that, but in the question they are given B by C is equal to root 3 by root 2. You have to apply here. So root 3 by root is equal to sin, in the place of B you have to apply 60 degree divided by sin C. Root 3 by root 2 is equal to sin 60. The value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2 divided by sin C. Cancel the common factor. Root 3 cancel. On simplification you will get 1 by root 2. Sin C is equal to 1 by root 2. So angle C is equal to 45 degree. Angle C is equal to 45 degree. Next we want to find angle A. Angle A is equal to 180 minus angle B plus angle C, which is equal to 180 minus, here angle C is 60 degree plus angle B is 60 degree, angle C is 45 degree. If you add, you will get 105. 180 minus 105 equal to 75 degree. Third sum, in a triangle ABC, if cos C is equal to sin A divided by 2 sin B, show that the triangle is isosceles. Consider the sine formula. We know that sin A by A is equal to sin B by B equal to sin C by C is equal to K. Let sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C is equal to K. Then equating on both sides, so you have sin A is equal to AK, sin B is equal to BK and sin C is equal to CK. Consider the given question, that is cos C is equal to sin A by 2 sin B. You have to apply all the values. So you have here, use cosine formula, that is A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB is equal to, in the place of sin A you have to write AK divided by, in the place of sin B you have to write BK. KK cancel. Same time you have A by 2B. then a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2a is equal to a by 2. b cancel. Then 2 also cancel. Then cross multiply. So you have a square plus b square minus c square is equal to a square. Now a square cancel. So you have b square minus c square is equal to 0. You bring the c square other side, it becomes positive. So b square equal to c square. Taking square root on both sides, so you have b is equal to c. So therefore the triangle ABC is isosceles. Triangle ABC is isosceles. Fourth sum. In a triangle ABC, prove that a sin B by sin C is equal to C minus A cos B divided by B minus A cos C. Consider the RHS, that is C minus A cos B divided by B minus A cos C. Consider the numerator is C minus A cos B. This is equal to C minus A. Apply cosine formula. Cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. A cancel. So you have C minus A square plus C square minus B square by 2C. Take down the LCM. 2C is the LCM. Then cross multiply. So you have 2C square. Then multiply the minus sign inside the bracket. So you have minus A square minus C square plus B square. 2C square minus C square plus B square minus A square divided by 2C. Multiply the numerator and denominator by B. So you have B into B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Now this is cos A. So B cos A. Now consider the denominator. The denominator is B minus A cos C, which is equal to B minus A. In the place of cos C, you have to write A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB. Apply cosine formula, okay, which is equal to B minus A cancel. Remaining you have A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2B is equal to, take down the LCM. The LCM is 2B, then cross multiply. So you have 2B square minus A square minus B square plus C square equal to 2B square minus B square plus C square minus A square by 2B. Multiply the numerator and denominator by C. You have C into B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Now this is cos A. So C cos A. Numerator answer is B cos A. The denominator answer is C cos A. Cos A cancel. So you have B by C. B by C. Which is equal to, we know that B is a 2r sin B. Use sine formula, 2r sin B divided by, in the place of C, apply sine formula, 2r sin C. 2r cancel, which is equal to sin B by sin C. Sin B by sin C is LHS, hence we proved. Fifth sum. In a triangle ABC, prove that A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C is equal to A sin B sin C. Consider the LHS, that is A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C. Use sine formula, that is A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to K, C by sin C is equal to K. That is equal to, in the place of A you have to write K sin A cos A, plus in the place of B you have to write K sin B into cos B, plus in the place of C you have to write K sin C into cos C. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 table. Then you have K by 2 into 2 sin A cos A plus 2 sin B cos B plus 2 sin C cos C. Multiply the whole equation by 2 and divide by 2. Okay, then K by 2. We know that 2 sin A cos A is sin to A plus 2 sin B cos B sin to B plus 2 sin C cos C sin to C. K by 2. Now this is of the form sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D. We know that sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So this can be written as 2 sin A plus B into cos A minus B, plus we know that similarly sin 2C can be written as 2 sin C cos C. Then K by 2, 2 into sin. In the place of A plus B we can write pi minus C. We know that A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So A plus B is equal to pi minus C into cos A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C, which is equal to K by 2, 2 sin pi minus C cos A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C equal to K by 2 into 2 Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So sin pi minus c is sin c into cos a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. Here 2 sin c is common, so take outside. So you have k by 2 into 2 sin c into cos a minus b plus cos c. 2 cancel. So you have k sin c into cos a minus b plus into cos plus cos. In the place of c we can write pi minus a plus b. Pi minus a plus b. That is k sin c into cos a minus b. We know that cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So cos 180 minus a plus b is minus cos a plus b, which is equal to k sin c. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. That is equal to 2k sin a sin b sin c equal to 2k sin a means a sin b sin c, that is equal to RHS, hence we proved. Sixth sum. In a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 60 degree. Prove that B plus C is equal to 2a cos B minus C by 2. Consider the LHS. The LHS is B plus C, which is equal to, in the place of B, use in the place of B and C, use sine formula. That is 2r sin B plus 2r sin C. Here 2r is common, so take outside. Remaining you have sin B plus sin C, which is equal to 2r. Use sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D means 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 2r into 2 sin B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. That is equal to 2r into 2 sin. We know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Some of the three angles are equal to 180 degree. And then B by 2 plus C by 2 means pi by 2 minus a by 2. So in the place of b plus c by 2, we have to write pi by 2 minus a by 2 into cos b minus c by 2, which is equal to 2 into 2 4r sin 90 minus a by 2. Sin 90 minus a by 2 means cos a by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. 4r cos, substitute angle A is equal to 60 degree. In the place of A, substitute 60 degree. 60 divided by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 tables. So you have 30 cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 4 or root 3 by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Mark it as first equation. Consider the RHS. The RHS is 2a into cos B minus C by 2. That is equal to 2 into substitute sine formula. That is 2r sin A into cos B minus C by 2. 2 into 2 are 4r sin. In the place of A, substitute 60 degree into cos B minus C by 2, which is equal to 4r sin 60 means root 3 by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Mark it as second equation. Now compare the first and the second equation. Both are equal. First equation equal to second equation. So therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence we proved. Seventh sum. In triangle ABC, prove the following. Subdivision 1. A sin A by 2 plus B is equal to B plus C sin A by 2. So this can be written as A by B plus C is equal to sin A by 2 divided by sin A by 2 plus B. Consider the LHS. The LHS is A by B plus C is equal to, in the place of A you have to use sine formula, that is a 2r sin A divided by, in the place of B use sine formula, we can write 2r sin B plus 2r sin C. You keep the numerator as it is, but in the denominator 2r is common, so take outside. So you have 2r into sin B plus sin C. 2r cancels, so remaining you have sin A divided by sin B plus sin C. We know that sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2 divided by, here you have to apply the formula, that is 2 sin C plus B by 2 into cos C minus B by 2. 2 cancel, so remaining sin A by 2 into cos A by 2 divided by, in the place of sin C plus B by 2 we can write sin 90 minus A by 2. 90 minus A by 2. Sin 90 minus A by 2 is cos A by 2 into cos C minus B by 2. Cos A by 2 cancel, so you have sin A by 2 divided by cos C minus B by 2. So cos C minus B by 2 we can write sin 90 minus C by 2, C minus B by 2, sin 90 minus C minus B by 2, which is equal to, you keep the numerator as it is, that is sin A by 2 divided by sin, in the place of 90 degree we can write A plus B plus C divided by 2 minus C minus B by 2. you keep the numerator as it is, but in the denominator sin a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 minus c by 2 plus b by 2, which is equal to sin a by 2 divided by, here plus c by 2 minus c by 2 cancel, a by 2 plus b by 2 plus b by 2, that is b. But in the left hand side a by b plus c is equal to, but in the right hand side sin a by 2 divided by sin a by 2 plus b. Then cross multiply, a into sin a by 2 plus b is equal to b plus c sin a by 2. Hence we proved. Subdivision 2, in triangle ABC, prove the following: a cos b plus a cos b plus cos c is equal to 2 into b plus c sin square a by 2. So this we can write a by b plus c is equal to 2 sin square a by 2 divided by cos b plus cos c. Consider the LHS, that is a by b plus c is equal to, in the place of a we can write 2r sin a divided by, in the place of b we can write 2r sin b, plus in the place of c we can write 2r sin c. Here you make use of subdivision 1, the same question that is given in the subdivision 2, you have to make use of subdivision 1, so that is sin a by 2 divided by cos b minus c by 2. Then mark it as first equation. Now consider the RHS 2 sin square a by 2 divided by cos b plus cos c equal to, you keep the numerator as it is 2 sin square a by 2 divided by, in the place of cos b plus cos c we can write 2 cos b plus c divided by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. You keep the numerator as it is, you 2 sin square a by 2 divided by 2 into cos b plus c by 2, we can write cos 90 minus a by 2. Cos 90 minus a by 2 is sin a by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. Here 2 cancel, sin a by 2 sin a by 2 cancels, remaining here sin a by 2 divided by cos b minus c by 2. Mark it as 2. Now you compare the first and the second answer, both are equal. So a by b plus c is equal to 2 sin square a by 2 divided by cos b plus cos c. Hence we proved. Cross multiply, then you will get the answer. Hence we proved. Eighth sum, in a triangle ABC, prove that a square minus b square plus c square tan b is equal to a square plus b square minus c square into tan c. We know that cos b is equal to a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. Consider cos b is equal to a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. Then cross multiply. So you have a square plus c square minus b square is equal to 2ac cos b. Consider the LHS, a square plus c square minus b square tan b is equal to, in the place of a square plus c square minus b square you have to substitute 2ac cos b into tan b, which is equal to 2ac cos b, you keep it as it is, into, we know that tan b is equal to sin b by cos b. Tan b is equal to sin b by cos b. Cos b cancel. So remaining you have 2ac sin b equal to 2ac. In the place of sin b you have to apply sin formula. Sin b we can write b by 2r, which is equal to 2ac by 2r. 2ac by 2r, 2 cancel, so 2abc by 2r, 2 cancel, so remaining abc by r. Mark it as first equation. Now consider cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Consider cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Cross multiply. A square plus b square minus c square is equal to 2ab cos c. Consider the RHS, that is a square minus c square plus b square into tan c equal to, in the place of a square minus c square plus b square you have to write 2ab cos c into tan c, which is equal to 2ab cos c. In the place of tan c we can write sin c by cos c. Here cos c cancel, so remaining you have 2ab sin c. 2ab, in the place of sin c you have to apply sin formula, that is c by 2r. 2 cancel, so remaining you have abc by r. Mark it as second equation. Now compare the first equation and the second equation. Both the answers are equal, so LHS equal to RHS, hence we proved. Length sum. A rope of length 12 meter is given. Find the largest area of the triangle formed by this rope and find the dimensions of the triangle so formed. The largest triangle will be an equilateral triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is 12 meter. We know that perimeter of a triangle is sum of the three sides. So a plus a plus a is equal to 12 meter. Then a plus a plus a is 3a is equal to 12. Then a is equal to 4 meter. Area of the triangle is root 3 by 4 a square units. Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square units. Substitute the value. So you have root 3 into 4 square divided by 4. 4 cancels. So remaining you have 4 root 3 square meter.